Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a video that is a recipe that my grandma made. So this is very close to my heart and I always wanted to try it for myself. So here we go. You want to start off by boiling your potatoes for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you want to go ahead and mash them up. We don't really have tools for that, but there are, so if you're planning on doing that for a lot of people, probably invest in some tools for that. Next up, you want to go ahead and add some flour, some nutmeg, and some salt, and you want to mix it together. Now you want to crack an egg into that and mix that in really well. Now you want to get some starch so that you can roll this dough out. You want to place it on a table and just roll it out quite thinly. Next up, you want to take your melted butter and you want to spread it on top of this dough very evenly. And then you want to use these, I forgot the English word, which is bad. And you want to spread them all over. Now you want to divide this up into 6 parts, so you'll get 6 dumplings out of that. And then you want to go ahead and roll them together. Breadcrumbs is what is on the dough. I'll have all the exact measurements down below. Now you want to take some boiling water and put these into the water one by one, and you want to let them cook for approximately like 5 minutes or something. You will see that they start to float on the top like that, and then you're ready to get them out and enjoy. So this was my first try and I was quite happy with it. I hope you try them as well and let me know how you liked them. And next week I will show you a recipe for this vegetarian or maybe even vegan gravy. So if you want to see that, just come back and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye!